Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to disable the bookmarks bar on the Google Chrome browser for PC, especially with the latest updates. If you're looking to declutter your browsing experience, this is a simple process that can be completed in just a few clicks. First, let's start by opening the Chrome browser. Locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar and double-click it to launch the application. Once it's open, you'll see your familiar browsing interface. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options. From this menu, hover your cursor over the bookmarks option. This will expand another set of options related to bookmarks. Here, you will find an option labeled Show Bookmarks Bar. If you see a check mark next to it, that means the bookmarks bar is currently enabled. To disable it, simply click on Show Bookmarks Bar. This action will uncheck the option and hide the bookmarks bar from your view. You should immediately notice that the extra space at the top of your browser has cleared up, giving you a more streamlined look while browsing. If you ever decide that you want to bring back the bookmarks bar, you can follow these same steps. Just revisit the hamburger menu, hover over bookmarks again, and click on Show Bookmarks Bar to re-enable it. And there you have it. Disabling the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome is quick and easy, allowing you to customize your browsing experience according to your preferences. Whether you're looking for a minimalist interface or simply want more screen space for your web pages, this adjustment can make a significant difference. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively.